think that you need thousands of dollars in order to start a YouTube channel for your business because you need to invest in fancy gear, you need a fancy camera, you need fancy tools, you would be wrong. In fact, you can start your YouTube channel today with just $100. Now, the tools and equipment that I'll be sharing in today's video are literally the only things that you need in order to get started. And the quicker that you start, the faster you can start getting clients, sales, leads, and all of those good things from your channel. So don't wait. Okay, so let's first start with the biggest thing, and that is your camera. Now, a lot of business owners think they need to invest in a super fancy camera in order to get high quality videos, and that just simply isn't the case. Because if you look at our modern age smartphones, you'll see that all of them, or most of them, can record super decent quality videos because they can usually record either in 1080p or even 4K. And so, if you are already using your phone to record reels or Facebook videos or any type of video for your business, then you can just simply use your phone to record your YouTube videos as well. Now, if storage is maybe an issue for you, you can always go ahead and expand your storage by getting something like a memory card or something like that for your phone. But alternatively, what you can also do is you can use an app on your desktop and plug your phone into your desktop or laptop, record through that app, and that way it's going to record the video with your phone. So your phone will be like this, right? So you can look at your phone, it's going to record what you're saying and how you're looking, but it's going to record it directly onto your desktop or laptop instead of onto your phone. And so a tool that you can use on Windows, or I think you can also use it on Mac, is OBS Studio. I've used this tool before and it records really high quality videos. And so that's one of the main things off of your list, right? Now let's move on to the second thing, and that is a tripod. Now I always say that a tripod is super important if you are recording any type of video because you want your video to be stable. I've tried stabilizing my phone on surfaces like tables and things like that, and it's a nightmare because you need to get it to balance and all of that. You don't want to struggle with any of that. And so I would suggest you get a tripod like this one. So you can see this is a super simple tripod where you can mount your phone, or if you later on decide you want a camera, you can do that as well. I think I only paid about $20 for this tripod, and you will likely be able to get super affordable tripods on Amazon. Ideally, you want one that is, long, that has these long legs instead of having one that has to be mounted on a table, because this just increases the flexibility for you, so you'll be able to record in different rooms if you want to. Next, let's talk about your microphone. So again, if you are already recording reels or Facebook videos or anything like that, you most likely already have a decent mic. So you can use that same mic to record your YouTube videos as well. But if you don't, you can also go ahead and use a clip-on mic. So I'm going to share a couple of images here on screen of what clip-on mics can look like. So there are some that you can clip onto your, shirt. Then there are other types of mics, which are these small, cute microphones that you can use in front of your face. There are so many different options of affordable mics that you can use for your YouTube channel, and all of them sound good. Now, these mics can cost anywhere from $15 to $50 depending on the brand that you get, but you really don't have to start out fancy. Next up, let's talk about lighting. So depending on where you live in the world, you may have amazing or terrible natural light. So if you are in an area that has, the sun shining all the time, and you just have beautiful natural light, then I would suggest using that to your advantage. So what you can do is you can literally go ahead and just face the window, have your camera in front of you and record that way, because that way the natural light is going to shine on your face. In fact, in most cases, I would actually say that natural light beats artificial light because it just looks more natural, for a lack of a better word. And so it looks better. If you maybe don't have as good natural light, or you maybe want to record your videos during the evening, you can also always consider getting something like a ring light or a box light. Now a ring light, I'm going to show you right over here, is the ring light that I use, and it works really well. You know, in the beginning of my YouTube journey, I used to only use this ring light, and I think I only paid around $15 for it. Alternatively, you can also get a box light, which is just as affordable. And so I'm going to show you a picture on the screen now of how a box light looks, because I'm currently using mine, so I can't show you that one. But this also works really well, and it lights up your entire face and body and whatever you want to show on the camera. As long as viewers can see you well enough, then it should be good. Next, let's talk about your background. So a lot of business owners tend to think that they need this super professional background in order for their videos to look professional. But that really isn't true. The thing is that a lot of coaches, course creators, and digital product sellers, online experts, they sell different kinds of things, right? So depending on the type of niche that you're in, you can really cater your background to that. So you can see here behind me, I have a quite professional setup here, and it's because over the years I invested in lighting to make it look beautiful like that. But you don't need that in the beginning. You can always go ahead, and if you maybe have a beautiful bookcase behind you, or if you have a fireplace, or just a room with a beautiful wall with photos or pictures or something on there, you can always use that as your background. And if you want to get creative, you can think of your niche. So if you are, for example, a parenting coach, you can always go ahead and record your videos with a couple of children's toys or things in the background. So maybe you have a cabinet with neatly stacked toys, or anything like that that indicates the parenting industry. And so you can really cater your background to suit you. Or if you are someone who likes to be rounded about, you can also just go ahead and record in different rooms and have different backgrounds all the time. So what I'm basically saying is make the most of what you already have. And then if you would like to build a more professional looking background, you can always do it later on. Now, finally, let's talk about your editing and design tool, because I know a lot of business owners are really scared of the editing portion of their YouTube channels, and you don't have to be, because there are so many great editing tools out there that make the process very simple. And so one of the free tools that I used to use in the beginning of my YouTube journey is called DaVinci Resolve. Now, DaVinci Resolve is, in my opinion, one of the best free tools that you can get, because it allows you to do so many things. It is actually just as good as something like Adobe Premiere Pro, and it has a lot of the same functionalities, but it's also good if you want to edit simple videos, because it allows you to cut out certain portions of your videos, it allows you to add text, it allows you to add images, all of the things that you need in order to create a basic video. Now, I will say that DaVinci Resolve has a bit of a learning curve, so you'll need to learn how to use the basic functions, but as soon as you get the hang of it, it becomes a really great editing tool that you're gonna love. Another free tool that you can use is, of course, iMovie if you have a MacBook. And so iMovie is also a really great tool, especially for basic video editing. And so just start with that. Just go with that if you have that tool already available. Now, of course, if you're editing directly from your phone, you can also use a tool like CapCut, or maybe you have a different free editing tool on your phone. And so you can just go ahead and use the tool that you're comfortable with. But I do want to mention that there is one video editing tool that I highly recommend. This is the one that I use in my business today, and it saves me so much time. And that tool is called Descript. So the great thing about Descript is that it is a text-based video editor. So in other words, what happens is when you upload your video to Descript, it's going to give you the transcription of your video right next to the actual video. And you can then go ahead and edit your video using the text. So if you remove certain paragraphs from your text, it automatically removes the portion of the video. Plus, You can also go ahead and highlight certain text and just add an image or add an additional B-roll video. Now, in my opinion, this tool is also very affordable. The starter plan, which I believe is called the hobbyist plan, and that's the one that I'm on, is only $24 per month at the time of me recording this video. And so it's totally worth it, in my opinion. And you can edit around 10 hours of videos with that plan. Now, I do have a complete tutorial of Descript that I have also posted on my channel. And so I'm going to link it in the description below so you can go ahead and watch it later if you want to. Now, lastly, let's talk about your design tool. Now, I'm betting that a lot of you are already using Canva to design your reel covers, your logos, your branding, all of those kinds of things. And so you can also use Canva, either the paid or the free version, in order to design your YouTube banner, your YouTube thumbnails, all of the designs for your YouTube channel. Now, I personally use the Pro Canva account because it allows me to remove backgrounds and it has a bit more advanced features which allow me to create really good looking thumbnails like these ones that I'm showing on screen. And so you don't need the Pro version, but I highly recommend it if you want to have more advanced looking thumbnails. And so if we look at all of these costs together, then you'll see that it costs you around $100 to start your YouTube channel for your business, which isn't a lot at all. In fact, you could be making back that $100 and so much more within your first couple of months on YouTube, because you're going to be attracting your ideal clients and customers right to you. So now that you know that you don't have to buy any fancy equipment or tools to get started on YouTube, if you are someone who is ready to jump in and get your YouTube channel up and running, I do have the Smart Content Club membership. So this is a monthly membership that is going to teach you exactly how to start your YouTube channel the right way, so as a business, and then also to grow your channel and get leads and sales from your channel. So inside this membership, I don't only teach you how to design your thumbnails, write your titles, create good looking videos, but I also teach you how to choose intentional YouTube videos. So in other words, I teach you how to come up with video ideas that will move your clients through the buyer journey and get them to eventually buy from you. In fact, I have helped clients to create YouTube channels that bring in daily leads and sales for their businesses. And so if this is something that you're interested in, you can go ahead and check out the Smart Content Club. I have linked it in the description below, and so you can see if this is something that could work for you. Now, if you're still kind of unclear about how to go about starting on your YouTube journey, and you may be thinking, okay, I may not need to invest a lot of money, but I'm gonna have to invest so much time into my YouTube. That is also not true. I actually created a YouTube video that shows you the 90-day strategy that you can follow to start on YouTube. And so in that video, I lay out the month-by-month plan that you can follow to get started on YouTube today. And so if you want to watch that video, you can go and watch it next right over here. I can't wait for you to get started, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.